Let's cook vegetarian meal today. Recipe of chili sauce and ginger paste. Recipe of vegetarian chicken rice. And vegetarian fried shallot. Oil recipe will be included in this video too. Vegetarian fried shallot oil. This shallot oil can use for noodle, fried rice, and vegetable. Also to steam vegetarian fish too. Tastes great to pair with vegetarian ginger paste. Simple ingredient as you need only cabbage. Slice cabbage, add salt and squeeze the excess water. Add enough cooking oil, pour in cabbage slices. Stir fry cabbage until golden brown with medium heat. Optional to sprinkle vegetarian powder. Saute cabbage patiently. Smells so good. Vegetarian fried shallot oil is done. Keep fried shallot and shallot oil separately in glass container. Hope you like it. Give it a try. Vegetarian chicken rice. Lemongrass. Ginger. Cabbage. Lemongrass remove first layer. Flatten it with knife back. Sliced ginger. Sliced 1/5 of cabbage. Pour cooking oil. Vegetarian chicken rice is fine. Perfectly matched to pair with fried vegetarian goose. Next video. Let's cook vegetarian chicken rice, chili paste, and ginger paste. Vegetarian chicken rice will use this vegetarian shallot oil too. The rice is delicious full of vegetarian shallot oil fragrance. Vegetarian chili paste and ginger paste. Vegetarian chicken rice chili sauce ingredients are red chili. Smell lime and ginger. Ginger paste ingredients is ginger. Cubes ginger. Cut red chilies into small pieces. Squeeze lime juice. Put ginger cubes ingredients into blender cup and seasoning. Cover the lid and start blending. Pour ginger paste into container. Ginger paste is done. Pour in all ingredients into blender cup and seasoning. Add lime juice. Add 1/4 cup water. Cover lid and start blending. Vegetarian chicken rice chili is done. It's tasty to add vegetarian fried shallot in ginger paste. Share me your comment at below video to tell me if you like this recipe. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, Weekly recipes will be available on Monday containing videos of previous week too. All 3 recipe. Please view this video for last week video's recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.